head wraps have withstood the test of time. They are typically associated as part of traditional attire in many sub-Saharan African cultures. Where, when, and how you style your head wrap can represent so many different things, from wealth, ethnicity, marital status, or today as part of a protective styling. For me, wearing a head wrap is about far much more than protective styling or keeping the sweat away when I'm working out. It's about staying connected, keeping memories alive that I never want to forget. When I was a little girl, my mom passed away, and she was a woman who took pride in her duku. Her outfit was not complete if she didn't put on her head wrap. So every time I wear my head wrap, I feel secure. I feel connected to women I still learn from today.